I was hitting a mini rod, but take a look at this. Guess there's no rule saying you can't do that. That's pretty cool. This cycle's gonna win. I gotta catch a video of this. John Deere. That's pretty cool. Wonder what's that? What's that motor? Same motor that's in Flasher. Okay. That's awesome. Cool. Let's see what happens. Small block Chevrolet on a tractor here.
And we'll feed a runner. Look at him.
See what this thing does. Got more weight than what I got out there.
And he's off.
What did he let off of it for?
Chicken.
Not bad. That's what I figured though.